Get excited about the 2016 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.